Don't worry about the cost. You're going to get that back in better bookings, more bookings. If you try to manage it yourself, you'll just put all the work in for nothing. We could see that there was more potential for income with short-term rentals. We specifically chose that apartment because it suited short-term rental. And to be honest, I didn't know there was any other options. There's a lot of companies out there do it. At the time, Hometime was the only one we knew of. We've continued to work with Hometime because of the personal touch with Udo being a local host. We like the idea that they can take all the work away from us. We knew we couldn't do it ourselves. I don't think we would have bought it if we didn't know about Hometime's service. We don't have to do all the work of cleaning, which we couldn't really do. But primarily the 20% fee is more than covered by the fact that you get better bookings and better results than what we could get. Everything we need to do is flexible. He understands the place and loves it and appreciates it, which is important, I think. Pretty simple, yeah. No great dramas. We're pretty technically literate, so using the platform is pretty simple. I work in IT, that wasn't a drama. Yeah, pretty easy, yeah. I'll probably make it hassle-free because we don't have to go in there unless there's an issue. And even then, Udo takes care of most issues. If we get a new modem, he'll configure it for us, look up the instructions and do that for us. He'll let us know about issues and organise tradies to fix things. We have the choice of doing it if we want to or getting someone to do it. It makes it just possible, really. That's the key. It wouldn't be possible without Hometime. We have, yes, to 3 people who are looking to go with Hometime. One has already listed with Hometime and went with Hometime due to our recommendation, which was a personalised service primarily. I think that was the main difference, the local host. I would say that, don't worry about the cost. You're going to get that back in better bookings, more bookings. If you try to manage it yourself, you'll just put all the work in for nothing. It makes it easy to rent short term.